I'm already in receipt of the warrant of arrest issued against me by the 5th Division of the Sandigan Bayan. Nais ko lang pong bigyan din ang mga bagay na ito. I will remain firmly with the majority bloc under the leadership of Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Hindi ako matitinag sa anumang panggigipit, pananakot, political maneuvering para talikuran ang aking paninindigan. I will not yield to threats. I will not be intimidated. I will not be pressured into surrendering my independence of judgment. I am giving instructions to the Senate Secretary to put on hold my salary. Personal kong pasya ito upang ipakita sa sambayan ng Pilipino na wala akong intensyon makinabang sa pondo ng bayan habang nililinis ko ang aking pangalan. At higit sa lahat, hindi ako papasa ilalim ng kustodya ng Senado. I will not seek Senate custody. Hindi ko gagamitin ang Senado bilang panangga laban sa mga aligasyon sa akin. Nakahanda akong ipagtanggol ang aking sarili sa hukuman at hindi ako magtatago sa likod ng institusyong ito upang umiwas sa proseso. Ipagtatanggol ko hanggang sa huli ang aking sarili para patunayan na walang batayan ang mga paratang sa akin. Kalokohan ang lahat na ito. Mismo ang Senate Legislative Budget Research and Monitoring Office o LBRMO ang nagsabi sa ombudsman na wala silang anuman dokumento o record na nagpapakita na ako ay nagpasok ng anuman insertion sa 2025 national budget. Ang mahalagang impormasyon nito ay kinilala pa mismo ni dating Senate Blue Ribbon Chairman Senator Panfilo Lacson bilang isang makabuluhang ebidensya na sumasalungat sa mga aligasyong binabato laban sa akin. So how can the Office of the Ombudsman file a plunder case against me when I am not even alleged to be part of or the mastermind of the supposed scheme? Wala po akong kinalaman dyan. Ngayon ko lang po isa sa publiko ito. Maraming beses po ako inalok na talikuran ang independent majority bloc kapalit ang pagbabasura sa aking kaso. Ngunit, hindi ko po ito tinanggap. Mas nanaig ang paninindigan ko na ako'y manatili sa hanay ng mga kasamahan ko sa independent majority bloc. I stand my ground. Ngayon kung tatanungin niyo kung sino sila, abangan ninyo ang susunod na kabanata.
Never been done. It's never been done. Salonga stood up for Enrile. Usapan natin sa labas. Okay na usapan natin. Okay na usapan natin sa labas. Hindi sa loob ng Senado. We will walk. We will go out. You cannot. No. Even during Cory's time, hindi ginawa to. Even during Cory's time, Salonga did not allow. We are ready. We're going to walk him out. We can arrest him right outside. He is respect the institution. This is not about Pinoy. We're going out. No. Don't leave him his rights here. He can be arrested right there. So if you don't want him to make a statement there, sir, just outside the gate, we're going to walk 5 minutes. This is the Senate of the Philippines. It's never been done. It's never been done. Salonga stood up for Enrile. That's ang kalaban si Cory, ang kaso rebellion. Anong ginawa? They walked out. We're just asking you to walk out. But let's walk. Let's walk. You're arresting me, sir. Sir. This is the last person who got it not for me. That's not for me. That's for the Senate, sir. You're just for the Senate. Sir, for the allowance. Sir, kumahay ka ng allowance. Kumahay ka ng right outside.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ayon po sa warrant of arrest issued ng 5th Division. Ang nakalagay po dito ay People of the Philippines versus Senator Jose Jinggoy Estrada et al. Accused by virtue of a warrant of arrest case number E-SB26-CRM-006 for plunder under RA 7080. The following are enjoined to arrest: Chief of Police, San Juan City, Provincial Director, Regional Director, NBI, the Director, NBI, NCRPO, and Chief PNP, and the CIDG. You are hereby commanded to arrest Jose Jinggoy Pimentel Estrada, Manuel Mandigas Bonoan, Denril Cesar Sanchez Cortuna, Manny Bumagat Blusan, Arthur Lobres Gonzalez, who stand charged above stated crime and bring them therefore to the court to be dealt with the law and rule of court. Direct, no bail.